GPT Apps Engine, create 100% white-label generative AI apps in 60 seconds without coding or hiring anyone. Choose from 225 done-for-you apps templates or create your own. Let AI customize prompts, design, style, tone, and language and AI your or client business in minutes. Let's agree on one thing. It's the era of AI, and launching just one AI app can change your world forever. We all know some iconic tech superheroes whose software apps don't just solve problems but fuels exponential growth, built legacies, creating wealth, fame, and a lasting brand. Everyone has dreamed of launching their own app at some point, and you must have planned and thought of launching at least one app, but it didn't launch yet. But you should launch it now. Bring your dream apps to life. Launch it today. Launch apps that build your brand without any tech skills. Present yourself like a pro. Create generative AI no-code apps. Start providing service of generative AI apps to marketer, creator, or local businesses for big profits. Launch your own white-labeled apps with custom branding. No more hiring expensive developers and designers. Unlock wealth with generative AI apps. AI your client business by launching super apps in minutes, like Jasper.ai. Businesses are ready to pay $1,000 a pop for your AI apps. Become a trendsetter. Show off your cool AI-powered apps and gain recognition. Create apps that make life easier for you and your users. Now I know what you're thinking. If launching AI apps is so effective, why isn't everyone tapping into it? Because building an app feels overwhelming. It's not just coding. You need a full team of skilled people. You can hire freelancers, but they might eat up your budget halfway through the project without completing it. Do it yourself? Sounds easier than it is. Learning to code and design takes years. And top of all, infrastructure and hosting are a nightmare. And the result is most of the dreams are die here. All these challenges make app creation seem impossible. But not anymore. Proudly presenting GPT Apps Engine. Kickstart by choosing from 225 done-for-you apps templates or create your own. Your or client business in minutes. Your search for no-code generative AI app creator ends here. AI creates 100% white-labeled generative AI apps in minutes. In just 3 easy steps. Select the app from 225 done-for-you app templates or create one from scratch. Customize app template, prompts, style, language, tone, CTA and more. Launch in profits with just one line of code. Embed your super apps and copilots on any website page or members area. Capture leads, generate sales, and offer your apps to clients with full white label rights for maximum brand impact and profitability. Do you know freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork charge upwards of $500 to $1,000 or more for these generative AI app creation services, which you can do in seconds now? Imagine, if you ever put a gig there on Fiverr or Upwork, you will beat all competitions in no time with an GPT Apps Engine commercial license. Let me show you the power-packed features of GPT Apps Engine. Instantly create GPT apps in minutes for any purpose. 225 plus done-for-you software app templates. Train AI-powered apps using your data sources. Launch 100% white-labeled apps with ease. Effortlessly embed apps anywhere with just one line of code. No-code app builder with drag-and-drop simplicity. Harness the latest ChatGPT API models. Collect tons of leads with custom interaction and lead collection within apps. Deliver personalized AI solutions to clients in one click. Train AI to speak your brand's language, knowledge, and style. Launch apps within minutes and start earning big profits. Create multilingual software apps for a global reach. Build AI-powered apps for sales copy, scripts, emails, and more. Make money with commercial license launch and sell unlimited AI apps to clients. The future of generative AI app creation is here. Imagine an app that doesn't just solve problems but fuels exponential growth for your brand. It's time to launch that app you planned but never launched. Bring your dream apps to life. Launch apps that build your brand. Unlock wealth with generative AI apps. Gain recognition as a trendsetter. Save time, money, and resources. Make life easier for you and your users. But beware, GPT Apps Engine will turn into $197 per month immediately after this introductory launch period. Thus, it makes sense to take your GPT Apps Engine account now before it's too late. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30 days money-back guarantee. If you're not thrilled with the outcomes, simply contact our support team for a hassle-free refund. No fuss, no hassle, just a straightforward money-back guarantee. Click on the button below and get GPT Apps Engine for the lowest price ever. Good luck, and we'll see you inside. It's time to bring your dream apps to life. Launch it today.